Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Alan Thompson, the hardest working realtor in West Volusia, and I'm here with Erica. Erica, why don't you tell me who you are and a little bit about what you do?
All right. Hey, Alan. Thanks for having me. And you are the hardest working realtor in
Yeah.
West Volusia. Well, I am a professional organizer. So I go to homes and businesses and help create systems and just create a more functional space for an individual based on their goals and their vision.
That sounds like something that probably everybody could use. But for somebody who isn't necessarily in a position that they can afford to hire you or ready to bring you on just now, do you have some tips that can help them get their home and maybe their business organized?
Oh yeah, definitely. If you are home and you're bored and you're going stir crazy, I would suggest focusing on the area that drives you crazy the most. Like if you walk by a room or a closet or something, when you open a closet and you're like, ugh, I have too much stuff. I just can never find anything. You're always searching and going through things, and it's a headache. It's a hassle to even open that door. So I would recommend just taking everything out and of the closet and just one by one going through things and making, two piles, the one that you're definitely going to use again, and then the other pile, probably get rid of or put somewhere else. And then you
Okay.
just slowly but surely, neatly put everything back in. That's one area.
So,
Um,
what is the number one challenge that you see people currently facing with their organization skills?
well, number one challenge I see a lot of people doing, because they don't like eyesores and they are busy. They don't take the time to find a home for something in their house or in their office. So they will throw it in a closet or throw it in a drawer or put it somewhere where it's out of sight really quick. But then when they want to find it, they're like, huh, where did I put it? So that's that a lot of people do that, and it takes a while.
I think I have about 6 of those collection drawers just in my office. I think that you should probably come by and hang out for a few hours. So, what what's the room that you most commonly get asked to help with?
I've been doing a lot of closets and let me see, drawers, kitchen drawers, and cabinets. Oh my gosh, just everything. Garages. There's so much. But recently, yeah, it's been a lot of closets.
Hiding their stuff in the closet before the family shows up, and then they never clean it
Yep,
back out.
yep.
So, what is your favorite?
Exactly. Yep.
How did you get started as an organizer? That seems like an unusual job.
Yeah, right. Well, it stems back all the way to when I was younger. My grandma, she was like, she had a lot of stuff. So
Okay.
literally, I would have to climb over piles of stuff in the house to get to just the other room. So, and I always saw her searching for stuff. Like she'd be on the or in the living room on looking for something through her papers on the table and like could never find it. And then like her bed was full of stuff. And I'm like, Ma, let me clean off your bed, get your room clean so you can sleep on the bed. Cause she would sleep on the couch. And I'm like, you can't sleep on the couch. And she's like, no, I know where everything is. She would always fight me on it. She would never let me help, like get her in order. So it's crazy because, I didn't realize all this until I thought of the business because any job or anything I've ever done, I think I've spent most time organizing and making
Mhm.
things flow better than actually, doing things. Like when I worked at in the mall, I
Right.
think it was a sales job. Instead of focusing on the sale, I focused on organizing the areas more. So yeah, it just kind of in me.
I'm sure the other salespeople appreciated that, because I know that I am way disorganized. And when I was in sales, I always had at least one other person by my side that worked for me that was the organization person that kept everything in order so that I could just do me. What other questions can you think of?
Right, exactly. Yeah, it helps the other people. Let's see, what other things? Well, the main thing, if you're home, and you want to find things to do, get your house in order, just those eyesores. Main thing, if you look around and you're like, ugh, you get annoyed by looking at a certain place, just take the time to just figure out where to put something and where you're going to remember to put it back and, find again. So it's like those little things that just help your peace of mind, it just get rid of that clutter in your house, and then it'll come out of your mind. So.
And finally, if somebody did want your help getting organized, how do they find you? Where do we reach out to you at?
Well, I have a website. You can go to my website. It's Errica, it's 2 R's, ERRICA, theorganizer.com. Or you can call or text me at 321-279-0160. And yeah, I have Facebook, message me there.
Perfect. I'll also
it's hard to find me
all
with my
of
2 R's.
Errica with 2 R's. I'll include all of that information in the comments section below too. So, hey, thank you so much for taking the time to share some of your wisdom with us today. I really appreciate that.
Awesome. Well, thanks for having me, Alan.
Hey, thank you.